Hello guys, welcome to Pandas Part 8, Episode 3, the final episode of the Advanced CSV project. In Episode 1, we cleaned and prepared the data. In Episode 2, we analyzed the trends and country-wise insights. And in this episode, we will focus on journals, rating, and final conclusions, and then wrap up the project. Okay, before that, we need to upload the CSV file. So click on the folder icon and upload it from here. And if you are working with another file and the name is not suitable to work with, you can change it here itself and rename the file. Okay. So if you uploaded a different file, you can also delete it here. And under this icon, we have so many options like restart session and all this, clear the all output. Everything is here. Now we need to run all the cell before starting our project. So run all. Everything run precisely. Okay. So in episode 3, we are doing the journal analysis at first. So let's start by analyzing the journals. For that, we need to know the column names. You can find so many names here. So here we need the name listed in. So we are taking the listed in. Let's do. Okay, we use df bracket and listed in and then dot value counts dot head 10. Okay. So the listed in column contains the journals for each title. Here we can see dramas, international movies, documentaries, stand-up comedies, all that. Using value counts, we can see the most common journals in Netflix. And also this helps us to understand what type of content Netflix focus on the most. So from this, we can understand that dramas, international movies are the most majority content. And that's what Netflix distribute the most. Okay. Now let's move to visualization it. So let's visualize the journal. Okay. For that, as we always do, we use the listed in and then dot value count. Then we are taking the head 10 dot float kind equals bar. After that, let's give a title as top journal. On Netflix, then let's give X label as journal. Then float dot by label count. And float dot show. We can see this genre. Okay. Let's run. Visualization give us a clear understanding of everything. So here the visualization journals make the insights clearer, and this bar chart shows the top journals available on Netflix, helping us to quickly identify the dominant content categories. Okay. So we can see the dramas are the top notch, and then it's reduced to documentaries and kids TV, all this. So our third step is rating distribution. So as we analyze content ratings, ratings tell us the target audience for Netflix content, and such as kids, teens, or adults. So for that, we are taking DF. Let's just run DF. So we can search for the option rating or the column rating. Here we can find rating. So what did Netflix contribute the most? Which age group or which are the targeted audience for Netflix content? All that. For that, we use df rating, then dot value, counts, just run. So we get a number of rows. This help us to understand the rating contribution in useful content, and this understanding is very necessary. So for content strategies and audience targeting. So from this, we can understand which age group or under which group audience will watch the Netflix most. So as per that, they can contribute the shows and everything, every programs. Okay. Now we need to visualize this too. So for that, we are using DF rating dot value counts and dot load. Here we are using the kind equals line and load dot title as content rating distribution, then our X label as rating and plot dot Y label as count, then plot dot show. So we get the visualization of this content rating distribution, and yeah, we do everything we can or the beginner friendly but advanced level of analyzation. Now we need to combine the insights. Okay, both of the insights. For that, we just changing. We can just go and change this to bar, so we can understand much more easily. Okay, here we combine content type and the ratings. This helps us to see patterns such as which ratings are common for movies versus TV shows, all that. For that, we are using DF. We are using two columns. So we can have two boxes, type, comma, rating, then dot value counts with head 10. Okay, so here we are comparing content type and ratings, and we get the output. And this is what help us to understand which patterns or movies versus shows, which movies has the highest rating, and which are the people watch that shows, all that. So these are main important things we can learn from this Netflix CSV file. Okay. So from this project, we can clearly observe several insights. Netflix has steadily increased its content over years, and we understand that certain countries dominant content production, specific genres appears more frequently than others. Okay, here we find out that specific genres has more frequently, and most content target specific audience rating, all that. Okay, these insights are what exactly data analysts extract from real world dataset. Hope it's clear. We can use whatever chart we want. I used a bar chart because we can easily analyze both of it better than a line chart. Okay, so this is what our Advanced Pandas Part 8 project conclude with. So this concludes Pandas Part 8 Advanced CSV project. We worked a real world dataset, cleaned it, analyzed it, and visualized insights and extracted meaningful conclusions. This project demonstrates how Pandas is used in real data analytics workflow. And I'm so glad some of them are truly watching and continuing this series throughout. And I'm so grateful that you can learn from this. This is what our Pandas Part 8 Episode 3 end. Thank you for watching each part of this. Stay tuned for Advanced Panda. Okay, bye.